just came back from Coachella.
Bro, he can't even fucking go in front.
Crossing his fucking lane.
What? Yeah, bro. There's no way he's passing that. What's going on, yo? This is fucking crazy, yo.
That fool's trying to get a trade in right now.
Yo.
Service is past due.
He's gonna run it. 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 He's gonna run. Ah, he stops. What the fuck?
Yeah, at least that fool follows the laws. What the fuck is this?
Oh, I gotta block the jokes. Stay behind you. Yeah. That shit could fucking blow up.
Ooh,
Thank you for
Oh
this.
my God.
Stay right here. No, stay right here. I'm dead ass.
bro, that nigga hit and run, dead ass.
How the cop did not notice?
That nigga tweaking.
Bro, his gas tank.
Oh, bro.
Stay here. I'm dead ass. Stay right here. Stay. Don't go in there.
God, look at that big ass.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're gonna be headed to a car meet tonight, actually race night, and some things happened later in some things happened later that night, and it was crazy, man. It was a drunk driver, man. They were high and drunk. It was 3 people in the car, and we called the cops, waited for them, we followed them. They were driving on their rim. It was a crazy night. Yeah, you guys will see it, and some races too. Catch you later. Peace. I'm out.
And we say bye-bye.
Pickups about to go at it. Guys, this Z01 is sexy as fuck. This shit is sexy as fuck. Two Beamers pulling up. Damn.
I'm a demon, blew her back out, now she screaming. Rip the tracks out, now she tweaking. Replay some shit, now she breathing. Told that bitch shut up, she drinking and semen. She going crazy like fans now.
That song was fire, bro. He needs to drop this. He won't even let me get it, bro. He won't even let me get it. Come on, bro. He won't even let me get it. We're replaying it again. We're doing it again.
In a space coupe, you don't know what to say to me, cause I fuck all on your boo. She know I hit it like Beirut. I have a different mindset, I am not like the rest. Hey, she want me to caress, cash is what I love to get. Shit, I'm a demon, blew her back out, now she screaming. Rip the tracks out, now she tweaking. Replay some shit, now she breathing. Told that bitch shut up, she drinking and semen. She
Send me the song, my guy. What are you doing? That shit is fire. Yeah, alright, that's it. I'm done. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out. Alright, so I'm gonna show you my slow ass 328i. It's just slow as fuck. It's just fun. It's just not bad. It's alright. No. License plate. I can hear fun. Trust. But trust me, this car will keep up with anything on the road. I don't care if it's a Lamborghini, still keep up. But have fun with it. It's a car at the end of the day. And just trying to have fun, live my life. And so I'm trying to do at YouTube, just film everything, have fun. Doesn't matter what car you have. Just go out, film, go have fun with your friends. If you don't have any friends, still just go out, meet new people, pull up at car shows, car meets, do anything you want. And that's it. I mean, it's the end of the video. See ya in the next one. Peace. I'm out.
have a different mindset, I am not like the rest. Hey, she want me to caress, cash is what I love to get. Shit, I'm a demon, blew her back out, now she screaming. Rip the tracks out, now she tweaking. Replay some shit, now she breathing. Told that bitch shut up, she drinking and semen. She going crazy.